Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take the mystery out of beauty products and give you the truth behind what's worth your time and what isn't. Let's talk brows, because let's face it, they frame the entire face and can make or break your look. Today, I'm reviewing the Tarte Busy Gal Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Medium Brown, a product designed to tint, shape, and hold your brows in place with a natural finish. This brow gel comes in a sleek tube with a small, precise spoolie applicator that makes it easy to comb through each hair without smudging product onto your skin. The formula itself is tinted, giving your brows a boost of color while also setting them. According to Tarte, it's made to be long-lasting and fuss-free, ideal for busy mornings or touch-ups throughout the day. When I tested this, I paid close attention to both ease of application and wear time. The spoolie makes it simple to coat even finer hairs, and the medium brown shade blended nicely with my natural brow color. It wasn't too warm or too ashy, which is a common issue with brow gels. It delivered a soft tint that filled in sparse areas just enough to make my brows look fuller, but without that heavy painted-on effect. As for hold, it kept my brows in place during a full day of errands and even through a light workout. However, if you have very thick or unruly brows, you might find that the hold isn't as strong as a clear, firm hold gel. So let's balance the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's quick, easy to use, and delivers a natural, polished look that lasts throughout the day. The shade range is thoughtfully balanced, avoiding the overly red or overly gray tones that some brands struggle with. On the downside, if you want a dramatic, fully sculpted brow or industrial strength hold, this won't quite get you there. It's more of an everyday, effortless solution. Is it worth the price? Tarte is a mid to high range brand, so you are paying a bit more than drugstore alternatives. But considering the performance, the thoughtful shade, and how reliable it was for all day wear, I'd say it does justify its price for someone who values quality and time-saving convenience. If you're on a tighter budget, products like ELF Fear, S-Wow Brow, or NYX's Tinted Brow Mascara offer similar results at a lower price, though they don't always deliver the same level of precision and consistency in shade. The packaging feels sturdy and well-designed, with a spoolie that doesn't overload with product. That's a small but important detail, since messy application is often what ruins brow gels for people. In terms of longevity, one tube should last you a few months with daily use, since you only need a light hand to get results. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap it up, Tarte's Busy Gal Tinted Brow Gel is perfect for someone who wants an easy, natural brow with just enough polish to look put together, without spending extra time in front of the mirror. If you prefer bold, laminated brows, you'll need something stronger. But for soft definition and a clean finish, this hits the mark. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. The link to check out the product will be in the description or comments below. And if you've already tried this brow gel, let me know your experience. Did it meet your expectations? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.